Question 1. What does happy mean? Question 2. What does big mean? Question 3. What does fast mean? Question 4. What does buy mean? Question 5. What does hot mean? Question 6. What does start mean? Question 7. What does easy mean? Question 8. What does friend mean? Question 9. What does old mean? Question 10. What does clean mean? Question 11. What does improve mean? Question 12. What does smart mean? Question 13. What does dangerous mean? Question 14. What does sentence mean? Question 15. What does increase mean? Question 16. What does strong mean? Question 17. What does comfortable mean? Question 18. What does plan mean? Question 19. What does quick mean? Question 20. What does explain mean? Question 21. What does reliable mean? Question 22. What does efficient mean? Question 23. What does challenge mean? Question 24. What does essential mean? Question 25. What does consequences mean?